I personally believe that it is a high time that those who bear the knowledge need to come forward to join the forces against this pandemic. You see, the way a soldier is guarding our borders, a soldier is fighting for us on the borders, a soldier at times is also sacrificing their life for the sake of the motherland. It is the similar thing which we should draw a cue for even the fight against the COVID-19. Those persons who hold the knowledge of the particular field need to come forward and they have to behave like the soldier. This is not the time that we can back off. This is the time we should play from the front foot and come forward as a soldier to salvage the society, salvage our country and salvage the whole world. I am thankful to the team of dedicated students at Environmental Virology Cell. Without their participation, this would not have been successful. It is still going on. The pandemic is on, the testing is on, and a lot of dedicated efforts are being put to continue the testing. And I am really thankful to all the team of students at my lab from the bottom of my heart. I am also thankful to the director Niri, who had been the main inspiration and also the motivational force behind and for starting this testing center. He was the one who agreed very boldly to start this testing center at CSI Niri, because this testing doesn't comes exactly in the mandate of our institution also, but he took that bold step to allow us to do that. And I am very happy that this had been a successful testing center for Nagpur. Almost 15% of the positive cases of Nagpur, the credit goes to Niri for reporting from this lab. So with this, I'd like to thank him once again, and also I'd like to thank the Director General of CSIR, who had been the key person at national level for ramping up this testing. So with these words, I would like to thank the whole team of CSI Niri altogether, including the administrative staff, including the support staff, including our sanitizing staff who are keeping the institute sanitized, and every corner of this institution. We have got very good support from all sectors, including ESU, the engineering service unit, the civil unit, every sector. I kindly excuse me if I forget any names, but everyone at Niri. Without them, this would not have been successful.